I'm currently out in Atlanta, Georgia, where I am working on a project that is so stinking exciting. But that's not what this video is about. This video is actually about cold plunging at night. You see, the sun is about to set. It's nice and cold out here in Georgia, and I love getting cold at night. And I haven't talked about it too much. So in this video, I want to share some of the benefits to cold plunging at night and talk about some of the differences between cold plunging at night before bed and also cold plunging right when you wake up in the morning. Let's get into it. Since I'm making this video while traveling, I don't have a cold plunge. I don't have my setup with me, but I want to talk about a few ways that you can get cold when you're traveling. One of the biggest secrets is just taking a cold shower. A lot of people think that you have to be in freezing cold 32-degree water to get benefits, but it's not the case. I just found some friends here. What's your name?
Christian.
Christian.
King.
King.
Ashton.
Ashton.
Ronnie.
Hey, have you guys ever gotten in really cold water before?
Yes.
Yeah? How did it feel?
It's freezing.
It's freezing, right? But when you got out, how'd you feel?
Cold.
It feels cold, but you feel alive, right?
Yeah.
Is there any negative feelings that you're like, man, I'm never doing that again?
Yes.
It feels
Yeah.
icy.
It felt super icy. Yeah, ice baths are great, man. Ice baths, cold showers. So we're gonna go try to find a place to play basketball here real quick, but this is cool to know. This is cool to find some people who like getting cold.
It's cool to find somebody that's famous.
I'm definitely not famous, but we're working on it. So I just met some friends. We tried to find a place to play basketball. It said there's a sport court. There's no sport court. But anyway, back to getting cold, back to cold plunging at night. So one of the things that I absolutely love about cold plunging at night is when you get into cold water, even if it's in the middle of the day or early in the morning, you actually activate the Dive Reflex, which basically puts your body into a state of extreme relaxation. If you ever notice when you get into an ice bath or a cold plunge that your heart rate lowers, if you track it on a watch or if you track it on any sort of heart rate tracker or monitor, your heart rate ends up getting extremely low and your breath rate slows down as well. Now, what's crazy about that is there's so many mechanisms that happen inside your body when you're doing a cold plunge. We tend to focus on a lot of the same things. We focus on the energy boost that you get. Because yeah, absolutely, you'll get an energy boost, but you kind of get out of something what you want to get out of it. If you go to the gym and you're looking to lose weight, you're probably going to lose weight if you stay consistent with it. If you go to the gym and you're looking to gain muscle, you're probably gonna gain muscle. Once again, as long as you're consistent with it. So when you're getting into a cold plunge in the middle of the day and you're looking for that energy boost, you're gonna get it. If you're getting into a cold plunge in the morning and you're looking for that eat the frog mentality, like do the hard thing first, wake up, get that dopamine rush and feel really, really good, well, you're gonna get that. If I cold plunge at night, hoping to relax, hoping to set myself into a really cool, comfortable, and calm state, well, guess what? I'm gonna get it. And I end up having some of the best sleep. Well, looky what we found here. That looks nice and cold. So that's another cool hack when you're traveling. If you want to get cold, you can take cold showers, or you can just find yourself some cold water. This pool is actually locked up, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get in this. So I'm definitely gonna be taking a cold shower tonight. But one of the things that I love asking people is, hey, if you've ever cold plunged at night, could you not fall asleep? And I've never heard anybody say no. So I'm curious, have you ever tried cold plunging or taking a cold shower at night? And if so, did it keep you up? Let me know in the comments below. Well, now let's talk about the protocol, because the protocol when you're cold plunging in the morning or in the middle of the day, well, it's probably gonna be really different than when you're cold plunging at night. Because when you're cold plunging in the morning and you're cold plunging in the middle of the day, you're looking for that burst of energy. So you're probably gonna dunk your head under the water. You're probably also gonna be spending more than 2.5 to 3, maybe even 5 minutes in that water. But when you're cold plunging at night, my recommendation is going to be to not dunk your head fully underwater, and it's going to be to not stay in the cold plunge any longer than 2 minutes. 2 minutes being the absolute maximum time if you're cold plunging before bed. Hey, you guys think they're going to let us in that pool?
Probably not.
So we couldn't find a basketball hoop, but we did find a pool. The pool looks cold, but it's also chained up. It's really cold out. What is it right now? It's 34 degrees out. So the pool's locked up. The pond looks a little gross. Taking a cold shower sounds like the right idea for tonight. Here's a couple final takeaways for cold plunging at night. Don't stay any longer than 2 minutes. Make sure you don't dunk your head. And I'd like to say to do it anywhere between bedtime and 2 hours before bed. Anything before that, you're kind of going to lose a little bit of those benefits. And the main goal is to cool your body down before you get into your bed and get ready to take a nice little snoozy snooze. Well, that's it, my friends. I just wanted to answer a few of the questions that I get on cold plunging at night. On my Instagram, which is @dmossjr, I do a lot of cold plunging, and I've been posting recently that I've been doing it before bed, getting a lot of questions. So I wanted to make this video to answer some of the questions and let you know that since I've been doing it, my HRV has been increasing, my deep sleep and my REM sleep have been also improving. I use the 8 Sleep mattress, which is really awesome for tracking my sleep and tracking my metrics, and I look forward to that thing every single night. If you have any questions I didn't answer, please pop them down in the comments below. I'll make sure I answer all those for you. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day, guys, and God bless.